£2,000 in the next 30 days. Would that make a difference to you? I'm going to talk you through how thousands of people in the UK are able to access that working with one of the UK's largest companies, working from home. So please stay tuned and share this video with anyone you know who would love to have an extra £2,000 in their bank within the next 30 odd days. So, who is this available to? It's available to anyone over the age of 18 years old. As long as you reside in the United Kingdom, then we can help you make that additional extra money. If you're in a circumstance where you just need some more money in your life, or you're looking further down the line, things are getting a bit expensive, or if your money's running out, we can absolutely help. But we've been doing this as a company for 25 years, and there's one thing we do know, and it's people from these three categories, these three backgrounds, do particularly well working part-time with us over and above maintaining those full-time jobs that they currently have. This is a position about helping people save money. Teachers, police officers, and NHS staff are all people that have came from a background of caring. They like to help others. They like to do good by other people. That's why those kind of folk do really well when they get involved in our company when they're off shift from their full-time work in those industries. But to be clear, anyone over 18 can make a success of this opportunity. So who is this company? Well, first of all, it's a major UK PLC. It's had multiple awards from various sources. I'm not going to list them all, but I'll just one or two. Uswitch, they've won Company of the Year twice in the PLC Awards. They are rated 5-star in Trustpilot. So this is a really credible company. Also, full training is provided. They've got face-to-face training available all over the United Kingdom and umpteen online trainings, either live trainings that you can book into with other mentors, or you can watch repeats of Zoom calls. So there's lots of help and support available to anyone from any background. There's 70,000 people already working with the company, and that doesn't include the 2,000 head office staff that are based down in London. But there's 70,000 people just like me who help other people save money and help other people make money over and above their normal jobs, busy lives, running families, all that kind of stuff. But the growth is astronomical right now. We are currently the UK's fastest growing company. So how do we help people? We help people save time and save money. This is two examples of a homeowner and how they might choose to run their house. Bills are boring. There's nothing exciting about bills. But overpaying on your bills is silly. Why would you overpay for something when you don't need to do it? This is option number one. This is how a lot of people run their house in the UK. And, I've just picked some companies at random, so this isn't a real example. It's just to give you an idea in your head of what we do as a company and how you can help people save thousands of pounds. Most folk have got a BT broadband bill or a Sky bill. Basically, they've got a bill for their broadband. Then they've got a separate bill from somebody from their mobiles. Then they've maybe got another bill every month from their energy supplier. And then they've got another bill every month from the home insurance or the boiler insurance or things like that. When you look at it like that, it's actually a little bit messy. You've got multiple bills coming in from multiple suppliers. That means you've got multiple direct debits. You never really have a clear idea of how much you're actually spending every month because sometimes those monthly payments change. You also have lots of different contact numbers when you want to reach out to your companies for service. A lot of times when you do reach out, these providers are using foreign call centres as well, so you don't get to speak to somebody in the UK. Because you're maybe going out with the UK, sometimes you'll get some poor service. Definitely you'll get yo-yo pricing, which is when it starts nice and cheap, but then as you stay with that company, as you show them loyalty, the price just seems to get dearer and dearer. And you don't get cash back from all of your household spending. So that is the kind of old way to run your house. The way we would run your house with the utility warehouse is because the utility warehouse is the only company that's licensed to supply all of these boring services, put them all onto one simple bill, so that you have one direct debit and one supplier. And by consolidating all of your boring essential services from 4 different companies and streamlining it down to just one company, you make dramatic savings, and there's lots of benefits in there too. So for somebody, if you help somebody move their spending from this type of spending, bit messy, to this type of spending, one supplier, one bill, the customer can save up to £1,000, and you get handsomely rewarded for helping that person save money. It's a win-win scenario. And just to be clear, some of the benefits of going down to one bill is you're getting that one direct debit. You manage your account from an app on your mobile phone, so you can clearly see all your statements. You've got that one contact number if you need to speak of any of your services now, which is in the UK. You get personal service. There's 70,000 UW partners like me servicing people to help them save and make money. And because of that cashback card we have, which is a preload card, so it's not a credit card, our customers load their own money on this card, spend their own money, but because it gives you up to 10% cashback on things that you're buying, when you've generated £20, £30 cash back at the end of the month, that cash back goes on your bill as a credit, making the total amount that you pay even less. So now your spending is reducing your utility bill. An ingenious way to save money, but yet simplicity, savings, and service all in one go. So you want to get involved? Brilliant. You would register to be a partner. Now, any UW partner could get you registered. You pay £10 to Utility Warehouse head office down in London. They'll let you download an app onto your mobile phone, and then that app, you complete a 30-minute online training that ticks the boxes with the regulators, Ofgem, Ofcom, and the FCA. Once you've done the online training, you'll get access to some tools, and all you do is share those tools with the people you know and the people you meet. Here's an example. This is our company magazine. So Ben Fogle is our brand ambassador, and all the tools are essentially Ben Fogle telling your contact how good it is bundling your bills and how much money you'll save by bundling your bills. So your job as a UW partner is to let Ben Fogle explain by sharing Ben's video to people online or physically through your mobile, handing the magazine to people or sharing a digital link, or sharing the Utility Warehouse slides that are available online to your contacts. The tool will then let that person decide whether they like the sound of bundling and want the savings, or they don't like the sound of bundling and don't want the savings. But when they sign up via the link, you get paid because you sent them the sign-up link. So let's talk about money. So a customer can take up to 4 services from Utility Warehouse. That could be energy, broadband, mobile, insurance. They can take any combination of whatever they choose. The more services they take, the more benefits they get. But if they took 1 service, you'd be paid £50. 2 services, £100, 3 services, £250, and 4 services, £300. Now it takes about an hour to help somebody become a customer and save up to £1,000. So it's a really good rate of return for an hour's work, considering you can sit in the house and do it on your mobile phone, on your laptop, with no set hours, no targets, and no bosses. You're in control of your income. But the average customer, when they see the bundling services, probably our most popular bundle, is the 3-service bundle, which pays £250 bonus to you. So here's how that can very quickly turn into some really powerful income for you. You get registered with the help and support of the person who introduced you to Utility Warehouse. We'll show 6 people the savings. They take the savings. We've helped 6 folk. That's £250 for each person we've helped. That gets £1,500 in upfront income for you. But if you do that within 30 days, because success loves speed, do it within 30 days, and you would actually earn an additional £500 fast start bonus, which would take your total earned to £2,000 for helping 6 people save anywhere between £500 and £1,000 on their boring household bills. Never selling anyone anything, never trying to talk anyone into anything or convince them, offering the UK's highest rated services, 5-star rated on Trustpilot, Which awarded, Moneyfacts awarded, offering the best stuff, consolidated together at the most aggressive price, simplicity on one bill through one company with one direct debit. So, if you like the sound of that, please contact the UW partner that you know. They can definitely help you save money on your bills if you like the saving side of it. But more importantly, they can really help you change your financial circumstances by getting you access to that £250 for about an hour's work. Because I've only based that on 6. We've got people in our team who like to do 10 a month. Some folk like to do 20 a month. You're in control of the income here. But the key thing is we're not selling, we're recommending, we're helping people, we're doing the right thing. So please share this video with anyone you know who needs to have more money in their life or needs to save money on their bills. My name's Del Hughes. You can contact me through all my social medias. I'm on everything. Just search for me, Del Hughes. I've got the website, delhughes.com, and I also run the Sack the Boss team. So you can find me through any of those websites. Other than that, speak to the UW partner you know, and they'll be more than happy to help you directly. Speak to you soon.